Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will discuss the shortcut keys common and the difference in the Word, Excel and the PowerPoint that repeated on past paper of the MCQ test. Ctrl+A. Select all content of page in Word. Select all content of worksheet in Excel. Select all text of the slide in the PowerPoint. In this figure, we see that where is the option of the select all. Ctrl+B, bold highlighted text selection. This is the common shortcut key for all Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+C, copy selected text. Ctrl+D for font option in Word, for fill down in Excel, for duplicate slide in PowerPoint. Ctrl+E, align selected text or line to the center in the Word and the PowerPoint. Also automatically fill data and the formula in the worksheet of Excel. Ctrl+F, open find box in Word, PowerPoint and Excel. Ctrl+G, go to in Word and Excel and the manage to the grouping shape in PowerPoint. Ctrl+S, find and replace text in Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+I, italicize highlighted selection in the Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+J, justify paragraph alignment in the Word and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+K, insert hyperlink in Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+L, align selected text or align to the left in the Word and the PowerPoint. Open the Create Table dialog box in Excel. Ctrl+M, indent the paragraph in Word, insert new slide in PowerPoint. Ctrl+N, open new blank document in Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+O, open options in the Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. program in the Excel and the Word. Ctrl+R, align the selected text or line to the right in the Word and the PowerPoint will write in Excel. Ctrl+S, save the open Word document and the PowerPoint and the Excel. Ctrl+U, underline the selected text in Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+V, paste forward, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+X, cut the selection in the Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+Y, redo an action in the Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Ctrl+Z, undo in Word, Excel and the PowerPoint.